I joined in 1970, and I did 27 and a half years on the crew, and then I reached the age of senility as far as the RNLI are concerned. You reach an age and that's it. At that time, I was then appointed as operations manager in charge of the station, so I was then responsible for the launching and the general activity in the boathouse. Though when the boat left the pier, I was no longer in charge. The coxswain was in charge, and he was responsible for giving the crew list, picking up the details, everything. And that's why I think the coxswains are pivotal, and I guess they're much the same in every station. But that's what it was. 27 and a half years on the crew, which included time on the inshore lifeboat and time on the larger boat, or the all-weather boat, really.